Hello everyone, this is Shirabhi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is my booktube channel, The Caffeinated Reader. So this video is going to be the most unplanned and candid video of mine because this is honestly the most unplanned video. The thing is that I was not planning to shoot this video today because there was nothing to shoot about, but my books arrived yesterday, though it was going to arrive long time back because I have ordered it for some time now. And I was honestly getting pissed off with Amazon because this is the first time I experienced a delay in case of their service. But again, I understood it might be for the reason that because of the mobility services being disrupted in these times. But still, anyhow, no grudges, nothing. But since I know myself that I don't have the patience and the courage to keep it packed up in this way till next Saturday so that I can shoot it then and that, no, I'm not that patience having person. So I thought it to shoot it now because it's very early morning now, literally early morning, and still I'm in my pajamas and just I did my eyeliners and earrings and this lipstick and all that stuff so that I look at least a little bit presentable. So yes, and another thing, sorry for the background noise, honestly very much. I have heard from a lot of people that I should reduce the background noise a little. Many of you have suggested me that, and I'm honestly so thankful to you all because you have all suggested me that. But the thing is, my house is adjacent to the road and it's next to impossible for me to reduce the noise to a great extent, but still I try my best to minimize it to the amount I can. So in case you feel a little bit disturbed with the background noise, sorry, but please understand I don't have anything else to do because I don't have any other options too. So yes, no holding back, nothing else. Now let's get started in today's video. If you see that my whole tearing it apart and all are mess, please bear with me because honestly I become literally a messy kind of a girl when I do all these stuff. But since I'm shooting it, so maybe I am doing it like kind of little a better way. So let's see what happens. I took a knife for this. Can you imagine? Like how I guessed it correct. Is it only me who doesn't get the sleep the last night because we have not stayed so far to do which was calm already? Can you guess it? Anybody has this book? Can you guess it from the cover? Let's send the system. So it's Tao Te Ching by Lao Tzu, I guess. So this book, if you feel like giving me rotten tomatoes, you can still give. But I bought this book because I was so impressed with this cover. Such a beautiful lotus it is, and the brushes of slight shades of this green and the middle lighter shades of green and this deep green, and the writing, it kind of gave me some peace vibes, like really peace vibes it gave me, and I just couldn't resist myself from ordering it. After I ordered, then I read what it was, and God's grace is with me honestly that this book turns out to be a really good book. Like all the reviews I have read is kind of very great. I will just tell you something. If you correct your mind, the rest of your life will fall into place. And oh my god, this is really great. Like the writer Lao Tzu is considered a mastermind when it comes of giving advice in the political and the leadership fields, and also in giving life lessons also. Now, Tao Te Ching is an Eastern philosophy. I have read about it later. Tao Te Ching is an Eastern philosophy which promotes that when you judge other persons, you are leading your life in a better way, and they show it in the spiritual way. So obviously we know that judging other persons is not a very good thing. In fact, one of the worst qualities one person can have. So when you are going to understand it in a more deeper manner and in a spiritual manner, there is nothing better than that. So yes, I am really very impressed. This book is a 150. I think I got it for 90 or something like that. I forgot the prices. If I remember it, I will give it in the description below. So yes, the first book, Tao Te Ching. So done with the first book. I have started with the shorter ones so that I can keep the bigger one for the last, so that the satisfaction still remains. No, I have got to keep it. I am still having a larger amount. Okay, for that reason, let me just show you Tao Te Ching, and I am honestly very pleased with this cover. The vibe of peace and happiness and beauty and positivity I got from this book is totally the way I felt when I just ordered the book. So that matters actually. So that's the, I showed you this one first. Now let me show you the fonts and the contents. The fonts are really nice, and it's like the spacing is given in a good extent, so you just feel it very peaceful to read it, not very suffocating and very cringy and clumsy. It's nice. It's written in a lyrical format like that of the poems. So in case you are not into the writings of that kind, I think you should not give it a try for now. Otherwise, this is a really nice book. The fonts are really nice, covers and everything is fine, you know. I'm very pleased with the book. I actually ordered 4 books for the reason because as I said you earlier in my last videos, the last one, whatever. So I said you that I am more 50-50 between ebooks and physical stuff. So in case I'm not very sure that I'm going to read the book, I just don't order the physical stuff, for then I become blank and confused which one to read and which one to keep for later, and in the process I waste a lot of time and there doesn't actually happen any reading. So for that reason I ordered these 4 books because I was honestly wanting to read these 4 books for a long time now, and since I got them all now, so yes, that's why I got it. So I hope you also love philosophy books, spiritual books. So in case if you don't love, then might be time to give a go, because all the books which I bought this time are really nice, so you can actually try. Okay, now with the second slot and the bigger slot. Like a pro. The satisfaction and the sadness together. Let's start with the thinnest one. Giving you the back page so that you can guess it at first before I show it. You might want to see it in that way better. So this is As a Man Thinketh by James Joyce. Now this is also a kind of philosophical book. Here it's kind of life lessons imparting kind of a thing. I have read the reviews and it's very nice, and I have wanting to read it for 1 year now, I guess. Yes, 1 year. Now this book is very good one. Like, it gives you stuffs which actually makes your brain exercise, and it's very great. It might be thin, but the content it bears is really very heavy. I have read about it and it's honestly very nice. Let's just show you. The Thought Factor Achievement. It gives you really very logical perspectives. I have read about it. Thought and character. Content. As the man thinks. Okay, next one. This was obviously a consequence, and it was going to happen. If not today, then tomorrow it was going to happen. So you should not be very surprised with this one. In case if you are so, then you are new to my channel. Now this is, okay, with the Becker one first. Okay, this is The Animal Farm by George Orwell. Now you understood it, why I bought it. Obviously this was an outcome because after I read his 1984, there was no going back to start any other writer of dystopia before I complete him totally, like all his works, the acclaimed ones at first. So Animal Farm, I have read its reviews and it's very good. 1984 and Animal Farm are the two books for which George Orwell is really very famous for. Now this book shows how people in power manipulate the societal ideologies, social norms, and if you read it from a superficial level, it shows that how animals are throwing out some other animals, or farmers, I guess, yes, some farmers and all. Like, you will think it's a story about the animal world, but when you read it with the perspective and understanding into the depth, and if you have experience with 1984, you'll understand what this book is about, and it is such a great mind-boggling one, and it's very good. So in case you don't know about the 1984, you have not done it or not seen it, you just go back to my channel and there it is there. Why should you read 1984 and just see it? I bet you, and I assure you, not bet, I assure you that you would honestly love 1984. So yes, Animal Farm by George Orwell. Let me show you. The font is little small, but it's okay. I can bear with it. I would have loved the fonts to be a little bigger, but no issues. Books matter, right? Now let me see it. It's nice. Okay, so we have come to the end of the video and the last book, and it is a very priceless book for me. It's the, oh my god, the cover is so gorgeous. I was not expecting this book. This is a very famous book. Some of you might have read this one. Guess it? Okay. It's the Siddhartha by Hermann Hesse. So this book is like a kind of legend that has been inspiring lives for many years, and as I said, I am kind of into the spiritual stuff, so I love this kind of books a little. And as you might guess, the way I guessed from the title Siddhartha, it's not about Gautam Buddha, though he is involved, but the story is about a man who lives his life of this material world and goes in search of peace and simple living in the spiritual world, and there he meets Gautam Buddha. He ventures into the life of simple living and spiritual living with his friend Govinda, I guess, yes. And there he meets Gautam Buddha and how he transforms his life. It's about all that, and this book is really a very famous book and a very beautiful and positive book. It has inspired many people, and I have seen many booktubers, many bookstagrammers have talked a lot about this book. And since it's based on the Indian origin and Indian spiritual culture, so I just couldn't resist myself from bringing it and I guess this is the most wise and the best decision I took. I brought this book because the cover is so gorgeous. I didn't expect this cover because I was expecting some red or something other covers which I was not very fond of, but this cover is really great. Let me show you just. The fonts are great. These fonts are nice. I loved it. So yes guys, these were the 4 books I bought. Let me just show it like a photo, like a very real nice photo. I know I'll be a very big failure in this still, that's fine. So these 4 books, and I honestly loved them such to a great extent. I actually urge you all, go for these books, if not in the physical format, at least in the ebook format. This will be really life-changing books. About the animal Tao Te Ching, Lao Tzu, I am not very sure. If you are not into the poetical writings, then don't go for it, but the other 3 books are really very great and you can definitely try them. So guys, this was all about the books I brought. I wanted to share with you all, and this is the first time I did this unboxing thing in front of you all, and after I started my YouTube channel. So yes, this is a very special video for me, and one of the most special moments it will always be. So yes, this was all for today, and the positive quote for today is "Believe you can and you are halfway there" by Theodore Roosevelt. So just believe in yourself and your dreams and your goals, and you are halfway into that. You will always be there because law of attraction always applies. So yes, if you have loved my video, with the same thing, if you have loved my video, do like it, do comment what you love the most and what I should change in the comment box below. Share it with your friends, family, close ones, whom you think would actually love the video. I'm a mess today in my mind also. With everybody you think would love the video and would honestly enjoying my videos, subscribe to my channel because I post every week and you might be wanting to see more. So yes, that was all for today. Like, comment, share, subscribe to all the good things to make me and make my channel grow. So till the next time, bye bye.